You can find Adam Hewison as a regular contributor on Bloomberg, Business News Network, CNBC, and Fox Business News.
Hello, Market Club members everywhere. Adam Hewison here, president of INO.com and co-creator of Market Club with your video update for Friday, the 24th of January. We're just going to be covering gold today. It's had a very important move in our opinion, and one I want to share with you. We talked about it yesterday. We did a special report 10 days ago on gold. And I just saw a survey this morning that there's only a little over 50% of the people who are bullish on gold. So there's a lot of people not yet in this market, and the move is just beginning. What we're looking at right now is spot gold, and we've drawn a trend line from the highs here. This is from November 23rd of 2012. 2012, not 13, 2012. So this is about a 14-month trend line right here that goes all the way down, and you can see it just broke over this level today, and you can see on the screen quite clearly right here it's broken up, plus you have this very, very strong double bottom. This is a very important area of support now for gold right here. That's the 1200 level. Now we're also closing, this is like a 2-month high on gold today. So the other thing too, if we scope this in closer, we can see one, we got the breakout over the trend line, and two, we have got a potential little mini head and shoulders here, and I want to show you what that is right now. You can see the points, we've 3-4 points touched. The break is right here, and if we look at this, I'll draw it right on the screen so you can see it. This is like a head and shoulders. The fact that we've broken over this line here indicates a potential move from the 1200 level to let's call it 1266. So 66 added to 1266 gives us $1,332. We would take that level as our first target zone, and that would take us back up to $1,332 right here. And that's, I think, a natural area of resistance. So it's 1332. Now this is the spot market, and based on this formation here, especially if we close over these, especially if we close around these levels, 1266 or higher today, then I think we're targeting this 1332 area. The other positive is right here, and this is the RSI, which is above the 50 line. It came back down. Remember that we had the pullback. It went right down to support. Now it's back up. It's not overbought yet, so we still have some room on the upside there. So it looks very, very good to us that this market has made the turn from what we consider to be what a major double bottom is right here and right here. So I think we're going to see this market improve and test this 1332 level. 1300 is going to be a big number to look at, which is right here, but potentially based on the measurement from this level right here to this level right here, 1200 to 1266 is $66. We add that up to this level here, and that takes us up to this 1332 area. Now many of you will probably want to trade the ETF, and we'll scope this in even closer. And you can see this pattern much more developed in my mind on the ETF, in the sense that you have this potential trend line and head and shoulders base. So here's what we're looking for as the base. There's the head, there's the right shoulder there. And if we just, I'll try to draw a line the best I can here, but you get the idea. We've sort of broken over this level, and that would indicate a move from, let's say, just below the 116 level. Let's call that 115. Can we do that? 115 to this level right here, which we'll call that 121. That gives us 6. If we subtract this from here, it gives us 6, and we can add that 6 to the 21. That takes us up to 27, which is right here. That would be the equivalent on the ETF, 127. And we're looking at the GLD. So that's what we're looking for, 127. If we close at or higher than today's price, 121.79. I'd like to see it close over 122. That would be ideal, but we'll just have to be a little bit patient on that. Hey, I'm Adam Hewison. Just a short intro into gold and what we're looking for, and the potential we can see in this market is much more positive than it was in 2013. Stay warm, everybody. Have a great weekend, and we'll see you next week. And be sure to check out our Q&A section, and if you want to ask questions on gold or any other market, please feel free to do so. I'll be happy to answer them for you. Have a great weekend. Ask about any market and get an answer. Only for members and only from marketclub.com.